For today's Scholastic News Adventure, you'll be reading the last 2 pages of the magazine, which gives us one article, one text box, and one debate, and some interesting questions to answer for today. Let's look at what we're going to be seeing in these articles. So you're going to click on the link that I have given you every single day this week, and you're going to choose the Nothing Can Stop Me magazine in the language of your choice. And we are going to flip on over to the last page. Well, almost the last page. We're not with the questions, but sorry, my internet is freaking out. It's tired. But if you will flip on to the last 2-page spread, we have one article, Top Dogs. We have the President's Dogs. We have a text box on presidential pests. Maybe they are pests, but they're pets of the past. And most of your questions are going to center on these 2 articles. I do want you to see that there is a link here that says take a quiz, and it says click here to take a quiz on the White House pets. Now, listen carefully. You're going to click on this. You have to click on this actually to answer a question on your form today. Here's what I need you to understand. You're going to take the quiz. At the end of the quiz, it's going to say you got so many out of 5 correct. This is not a grade. If you got 1 out of 5 correct, that does not mean you fail. It's seeing what you know. It's not from an article that you were supposed to have read. It's just seeing what you know. It's seeing how well you can guess. It's seeing what you think you might have heard, some interesting stories in the past. I got 3 out of 5 when I did it. It's fine if you get 1 out of 5, but I do want you to try it. And then in the form, it's going to ask what your score was. As long as you've taken the quiz, then you get that question right. Okay, so don't let that stress you out. It's kind of for fun. Now let's go back and see. So here's the quiz. There are 5 questions. When you're done, it says how many you got right. Okay, now then you're going to read this. Should kids be on TikTok? There's an article all about kids on TikTok. You have this person who says, yes, absolutely, kids should be on TikTok. You have this person who says, no way, kids should not be on TikTok. The last question I'm asking you on the form, the last 2 questions are, what do you think? Do you think kids should or should not be on TikTok? You're going to answer the question. You answer the question, you get it right, because there's no right or wrong answer. It's asking what you think. The last one is the part where you're going to lose points. I'm asking for one sentence to support why you think kids should or should not be on TikTok. I'm asking for a sentence. There are 3 things that you can lose points for here. If your sentence does not start with a capital letter, you will lose points. If your sentence does not end with a punctuation mark, you will lose points. If your sentence does not express a complete thought, you will lose points because you are 5th graders and you know how to write a complete sentence. I'm asking for 1. You can do it for 1 sentence. I believe. If you need help, let me know.